So I'm getting ready to start the ProLon fasting mimicking diet. And so this is breakfast meal one, day one. Let's jump into this. So starting off with my spearmint tea. Hope you can see that. So there's my spearmint tea, which we've let steep for a little bit. No sweeteners. It tastes like you would expect it to taste. It tastes like watered down spearmint. It's not sweet. It's totally fine. And then I've got the algal oil. If somebody knows how to pronounce this, please let me know. Algal. I'm not sure. Clearly algae, but so anyhow, I open this up and there's just one oil-based capsule in here. So that's the way that goes. And then I've got my L bar. So this L bar is 260 calories, macadamias, honey, pecans, almonds, almond butter, coconut, inulin, flaxseed, coconut oil, coconut flour, sea salt, natural flavor, mixed tocopherols, which is vitamin E, citric acid, ascorbic acid, which is vitamin C. So I like that there's not a bunch of nasty chemicals in it. It tastes like slightly sweetened nuts. It kind of tastes like baklava that's not over sugared. It has a very nice flavor to it, mild on the sugar, which I don't like things that are too sweet. So this is really good. Yeah, this is a winner. I like this. The spearmint tea I can do easily. The algal oil, that's just a pill to swallow, no big deal. So far so good. We're into this thing. Talk to you